Why are the Ghostbusters no good at hiking? Because they never like to cross streams.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of RS Outdoors 74. And today I'm parked up at Southway Farm, alright, just outside Keswick. I'm about to go back in some Wainwrights. Got my good mate Brian out of us. He's over there getting sorted in a minute. Don't think you can see him like. But once we're ready, we're up and we're out, and we'll start blasting up there. If you can see it behind us, Sourmill Gill. Get my kit on and let's get at it. Just walking past Sourmill Gill, absolutely packed. It's been so long since I've been up the top of the hill. The legs are crippled, man. So I'm going to stop up the top. Brian's got his burden up there. I'm going to sit 4 minute climb, and we're going to go up the top here and just bounce all the way along, nice and easy. We've come up about 2k. Such hard work, like I'm proper unfit, but it'll be worth it. I'll spin you around, show you where we're headed. Okay, so we're going up there. Alright, Brian's already miles ahead of us. He's off-ski man, Super Brian. We're going up there, and on the other side of that rock face there, Raven Crag. Some mad rock climbers kicking about down there. Rather them than me, yeah? Right, so I'm going to crack on, get on. Right guys, so here we are, we've arrived at Great Knots. You can tell it's getting blustery now. It is 40 to 50 km/h winds forecast throughout today. Some storm on the way as well, forget the name. There's been about 5,000 storms in the UK this month alone already. It's impossible to keep up the name. I think the last one was Storm Idris Elba or something shit like that. But yeah, look, Great Knots we are, up a height of some unreal views, amazing scenery. I'm going to have a quick Alton bar, crack on. Right, so coming up on Green Gable, you can probably see it's getting kind of wild now, very exposed. Oh, the wind is kicking off me, so I think what we're going to do is get to Green Gable and drop down this side ton and just rest there and stay there. Oh, set the air tent, so guess what's going to well improve. It's a long time since I've had a proper climb like this, and my legs are way cramps in places I've never had cramps before. There's Brian just blasting up. Man's a machine, like. Some things never change. Can't keep up with him, like. Got any chance of keeping up with me? I'm a fat knacker. That's not how he thinks I am. But I'm just plodding on my own pace. Still windy, but there's a little bit of shelter on this side. We're nearly there now. Right, and I'm at Green Gable, just nearly died coming up there. Brian on a mission, killing us. But I made it. Leg cramps and everything. But so now mission down to Steyr Tarn. See if that's any good for the night, and if it's sheltered enough, we're going to set up there. I'll say this thing. The track here, path. It's like walking on Mars. It's just pure scree. Absolute scree. I don't know what's harder. Coming down here, we're going up. Right guys, so here we are. Steyr Tarn. Right, as you can see, it's kind of windy. There's the tent all set up there. Alright, so I'll take you and show you around my setup. So there's the two tents. Brian's out in the OEX Bobcat one. Great little tent. I was going to bring the same one myself as well, but it's just easier to film inside the solos. Just a little bit more headroom, so it's easier to film in there. But nevertheless, brilliant tent. There's the Hillyberg Solo Red Label, which you all have seen a couple of times now on my adventures. I'll bring you in, show you what I've got. Basically, it's the usual layout. Right, so emergency silver blanket on the bottom for insulation. My seat at Summit Etherlight Extreme as normal. My Rab Ascent 900 sleeping bag in there, and a baby bag for the condensation. Loads of warm kit up the top as normal. My electrics, little radio, but I don't think I'm going to get any signal. I've got my scran here. Take you through my scran. Some of my water, bacon sandwich for the morning, brioche buns, some pork pies for later on, and I've got some Cumberland venison sausages for me tea with some mature cheddar slices. They're going to be brioche buns, a mugshot if I need it. I've got some hobnob flapjacks, and that's pretty much it. I'm just using the Soto Windmaster stove today. My extreme gas, because last time I failed. My Soto pan, and my seat at Summit plate. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. Right, I've already got all my warm kit on, because it is canny cold. Sweating buckets coming in here. I was hard graft after being a big fat Michelin man over Christmas, and then coming out and getting beasted up mountains. But the minute I stopped, the sweat just frozen straight out. Won't get on. So I'm going to get myself sorted out, get a brew kit, and have some warm scran. It's time to get some scran on now, and we're going to start with some Cumberland venison sausages and some nice mature cheddar slices in my crushed to living death brioche buns. So the sausages are cooking away nicely there, and there's the world's flattest ever brioche buns. Gonna get some little bit of ketchup squirted in there. Loads of ketchup going in there, mate. Loads of ketchup going in there. Right, guys, so I've just checked them, and they're as tasty as I'll ever need them to be. I've probably overcooked them and burnt them a bit, but better safe than sorry. So they're coming out now, and I'm going to munch them. So there you go, sausage and cheese sarnies. I think I'll get a little bit more ketchup on there, because I do like a lot of ketchup. Get it out. There we are. I think I might have another slice of cheese on each of them now, just for the crack. It's there to be used in it, so let's get it on. Oh, mate. Tell you what though, guys, I'm super unfit. My legs have just turned to absolute jelly. They're not worth having at the minute, my legs. Might as well not be there. I'm sure this will help. Right, guys. Venison Cumberland sausage and mature cheddar, super flat brioche buns. I'm gonna get this down my neck and then come back, yeah.
There's a good little cook of this I've got here, Aaron.
It's a scran dusted. I want to get this all cleaned up, and then I was gonna have a brew, but I think I might just get straight on the adult pop. Nice bit of 19 crimes. Right, guys, I've just been administrating myself, getting everything sorted out, tidied away now, and in a minute, because I'm out with Brian, I'll be having the obligatory Budweiser first and foremost. Then I'll be getting on the 19 crimes, and later on I've got a couple of Candelorians ready for some action. So stand by and stay tuned for that. One thing that will be missing from this episode is going to be the gory story, because believe it or not, I couldn't find any. I looked all over the internet for some kind of gory story connected to this area. Seathwaite, Styhead, Tarn, anything, but there's just out. There's nothing there, so I'm not going to just start making stories up for the sake of it. If there isn't one there, I'll not do them. So that won't be on this time, but it'll return in the next episode. But for now, you can hear them gusts going, mate. You can hear them gusts starting to rattle a bit. Just waiting for Brian to finish up his scran and have myself. Then I'll be having a Budweiser. See you in a bit. Yes, Candelorians, welcome back to another episode of I Think This Drink. This episode's I Think This Drink has been kindly suggested by Mick Saunders, formerly of North Shields, now living in Cumbria. Cheers, Mick. And Mick has suggested these two drinks. Candelorian number one, if I can see, it's pitch black, guys. If you can see that, Cocoa Wonderland. Right, I can hardly see this. I'll read them out in a minute when I put my head torch on. And second one is Dark Matter. Thank you, Brian. Got me magical lighting assistant over here. Dark Matter. It's a decadent stout, and it's about 6 million %. So thanks, Mick. One thing I'm really happy about is the fact that you have put on chocolate porters, mate. You know so well, mate. Thank you very much. The first drink that we're going to have here is the Cocoa Wonderland. Right, it is it's a chocolate porter, like I said. It's 6.5%.
No way.
Woo! Yes, good choice, Mick. Good choice. Right, so let's crack the lid. Whoa, mate, you can probably hear the gusts. The camera's going to go. I'll hold you. Yeah, you can probably hear the gusts here now. It is brutal out here. Woo! Mate. Right, Candelorians, I'm going to do my best to get this done fast because it is brutal out here now. These gusts are coming in fast and furious. So, this is the way of the Candelorian. Candelorian, have you ever removed your ring pull in front of anybody else? No. This is the way. Oh, get that in here. Right, let's have a smell. I've got Brian here with us now. What do you think, Brian? Smell wise? Can you smell the cocoa in that?
Dark and cocoa.
Dark and cocoa. Brian said dark cocoa, and I have to agree. It is dark and cocoa. It's very. I would say it's very cacao. If anybody has ever sampled cacao or smelled cacao beans, real cacao beans, it very much is that. You can probably see the mist is booling into here right now. Like, this is naughty, but very cacao smell. Cacao, Brian?
Absolutely.
Cacao. Right, I'm gonna have an air blast of this sort of thing. Whoa.
Tingle on your tongue, round.
Tingle on the tongue, Brian. Tingle on the tongue. It's hot chocolate. A little bit, very, very strong hot chocolate, I would say, maybe. What do you think, Brian?
Need more.
Brian needs more. Get it in you. I'm thinking very hot chocolate. It's thick on the tongue. It's
Definite, yeah.
Covers the whole tongue. It like layers the tongue. Loads of flavour, bags of flavour. It sits on there.
Stays on there.
Stays on there, yes. Totally agree, Brian. That it's like a quality drink. I like that. I really, really like that. Brian, what do you think? You like that, mate?
Very much.
That's a lovely drink.
Yeah.
Lovely drink.
Thank you, Mickey Scrim.
Mickey Scrim, I tell you, mate, that's a good choice, mate. One that I'm very, very indulgent of, and I'm going to destroy this, mate. I love that. This is one top class Candelorian, so anybody watching, follow Mick Scrim's advice and keep loading these chocolate porters because the belters. Yeah, beautiful. I really, really like that. I'm gonna crack on, dust this, and I'll come back and do Candelorian number 2 in a minute. Brian, thumbs up, thumbs down for that in a minute. What do you reckon, mate?
Tingles on your tongue, round.
Mickey Scrim, big thumbs up for me, big thumbs up from Brian, thumbs up, tingles on your tongue, tingles on your bum. Yes, mate. Yes, Candelorians. Candelorian number 2. This is the big boy, this. Mick Saunders. Woo! You know what you're doing picking this one, didn't you, mate? Dark matter. You are not ready for the dark side, young Skywalker. This is a beast, this one. What's this one, Brian? 8.9 or something?
8.7.
8.7%. Brian says this is a show.
8.47.
Mick, Brian saying, can you still do your BFT under 8 minutes, mate? After one of these bad boys. Right, so anyway, guys, we're going to get on with this now. This is Darth Vader drink.
Wow.
Dark matter.
Wow.
Brian's on it already, and all I can hear is wow. All I can hear is wow.
Wow.
I'm a sniff, Brian. Woo! That's strong. You can tell that's strong.
Dark.
Dark. That is dark matter, Brian. Dark matter.
Definitely.
Woo-hoo! It smells like it's gonna blow it.
Ah, yeah.
It smells like Darth Vader's underpants.
Malty.
Malty. Yes, Brian, I agree. Malty. It's very malty. Malty. Yes, absolutely. I agree with that. Malty with it's got that chocolate in there. It's got that chocolate in it. It's very malty. It's got the tiniest bit of chocolate in there. It's definitely malty, Brian. I agree with that. Malty. multi-Darth Vader.
I don't know.
Just a multi-Darth Vader minute. I'm off to taste this.
Bad.
Taste it.
Bad, I don't know. It's good.
Bad.
Bad is good.
Have a taste. Whew. That's strong.
Put it to bed, that.
Well, definitely put you to bed. That will 100%. That put you to bed. What do you think, Brian? What is that?
Oh, no,
It's malt. That's got chocolate in it. That's got chocolate in
yeah.
it.
I don't think Mickey Scrum could drink one of them and run an 8-minute BFT though.
No way.
Not anymore.
I don't think anyone could drink one of them and run an 8-minute BFT anymore. Whoa, it's strong, mate. That is strong. It smells lovely. I think it smells nice. It's like Brian was saying before, it's really, really malty. It's another one of them. This time it doesn't like the Cocoa Wonderland just like sat on your tongue and laid your tongue.
It's gone,
It's not the same, no, is it?
Easy drink, easy drink.
Aye, easy drink. We both feel like that, Mick. We both feel like that. It's like it goes in, you taste it, it's off. Look it. Shit.
Blown over.
Yeah, what's going on? Right, and yeah, so the gust just blew the camera flying. So like I was saying, this is a different one. It's not sitting there coating your tongue. It's on, it's off quick, and it just tastes nice. I'm kind of undecided on what this actually tastes like, Brian. It's malty, I agree. It's got the tiniest hint of chocolate, but one thing I know is it's very, very strong.
Put you to bed.
Put you to bed, drink Brian saying. Put you to bed. Listen then, so what I'm going to say is, Candelorians tonight. Because if I don't do this now, I'll never do it. Cocoa Wonderland, Northern Monk Dark Matter. Right, I'm kind of wet now if you can't tell. That was lovely. That was really nice. It was very chocolatey. Had a lot of depth. It was my kind of drink. I really, really enjoyed this. I like it. I really, really like it. But it just tastes so strong. It is the Darth Vader of drinks. Brian, what do you think, mate? What's your thoughts? Which Candelorian wins?
I'd prefer Darth Vader.
Darth Vader? Yes, Brian! Brian saying Darth Vader wins. And look, since Brian is our special guest tonight, I'm with it. Darth Vader wins. Candelorian scores out of 5, Brian. What do you reckon? Darth Vader, what's
Gotta
again?
be a 4, innit?
Easy 4.
Easy 4.
Easy 4 for Darth Vader. Cacao Wonderland, mate.
3.8.
3.8, still a good drink. 2 good drinks. Mick Sanders, originally from North Shields, now living in Cumbria. Belter, mate.
Mickey Scrum, thank you.
Yes, mate. Right, Candelorians. Final brew, and then kip. It's been an outstanding night. I've absolutely loved it. I've enjoyed it so much. Brilliant crack. Been amazing to catch up with Brian for a long time. So yeah, I'll get the brew on. See you in the morning. Right, Candelorians. It's 11 o'clock at night. It's getting windy, man. I was ready for kip. Right, so I was ready for kip, and then the wind just picked up big time. I think Brian's a kip or nearly a kip. But man, the gusts are lifting now. But yeah. Side turn. I'm gonna say this, mate. Listen, if you're coming down from the Green Gable Way down that path, it's the worst path in the world. I've never walked down that before. It's the first time, and I never want to walk down that again. It's shale to death, mate. It's horrible. For about a kilometre, it's just horrible, mate. Don't walk down that path. Do yourself a favour and don't walk down that path. Listen mate, I'm kind of wet now. I've blasted the kind of Lawrence. I'm gonna put some jackass on or something like that in the garden kit. Catch you in a moment. So it's 20 past 1. Turn it off. No, I won't turn it off. Yeah, 20 past 1, and it is getting brutal. The gusts are blasting through, man. Blasting through. Just checking the guy lines and that, then everything looks alright, like. But they're rattling through here. I'll keep you updated. So I've just had a look around there. The guy lines all look alright. Brian's outside having a lash. I'll tell you what, been for Gypsy's kiss there, Brian, but I tell you, yeah, where's it? What I would say is, right? Oh, Brian. Get yourself on them so you don't have to go outside at night for Gypsy's kiss. And I'm just laughing there because Brian says he fell over. Right guys, it's 6:15 in the morning and it's absolutely wild. These gusts just haven't stopped. Been going on all night. About 3:30 they just got worse and worse. I've been awake since like 5:15 or something like that. So I think all I'm going to do, make a brew, get packed away, and then first light I'm out of here like. Right guys, so there you go. Tents have been battered. You can see Brian's. Oh yes, it's seen better days, that mate. It's seen better days. The wind's battered it, but solo, still standing. I suppose that's the difference between £100 tent that I thought was brilliant, and obviously the thick end of £900. But still absolutely wild out here. You can see ruined tent, absolutely brutal out here. Gale force winds. We'll get a brew on and get ready and bounce. Right guys, it's 7:10 now. I've had a brew and some flapjacks. That's going to do me for some breakfast. Time to get everything packed away and just get out of here. Wind's ridiculous. It's time to just bounce. Right, in a bit. Right, packed up, ready for the off. One last look around. That was one wild night, probably the wildest night I've ever had when I was out wild camping. That really was wild camping because it was wild. There you go, Starhead Tarn in all its claggy glory. Time for us to hit the road. Well, here's the rain. Well, here's the rain as predicted. It said 9 o'clock, bang on time. Nice bit of rain, so I'm going to turn this off now, put it away and bring it back when I get the car.
Right, and guys, I'm back at home now. I've just had a shower, nice warm cuppa and a lovely sausage sarnie. Yeah, so look, my battery died again when I got to the car. I did get a new charger, which is much better, an energized one. But guess what? I forgot the correct cable. Oh no! So look, it was a great camp that. I just seen the winds were brutal. Brian's OEX Bobcat one shit itself on that one, absolutely destroyed. Needs a new pole, but it's fixable. It's fixable. What I will say though is you've got to remember we were on the 19 crimes, the Northern Monk, and we weren't vigilant all night checking the lines. Now, might have been a different story if we were, but the fact still remains my Hilleberg Solo was still stood there all night and I never checked those guidelines once. I did when I got up at 5:30, alright, when I went for a gypsy's kiss. I checked them then and made sure they were nice and taut. But other than that, I never touched them. And that tent, although it got battered about, as you can see throughout the video, it didn't flatter. It stood, as I say, like the proverbial limpet. And this term's used a lot, but that is bomb-proof. And me and Brian, we didn't have an onometer, whatever they called those little wind things, but me and Brian were estimating those winds to be about 50 to 60 mile an hour. They were brutal. They were harsh. When you're outside the tent, it was battering you around, mate. It was battering you around. It wasn't just windy. It was pushing you around. It was strong, mate. So yeah, look, great camp. Loved it. It's given me a lot of confidence now in my Hilleberg. So that's the first real test that tent has had. So all I'm going to say is thank you very much for watching this episode of RS Outdoors 74. And until the next episode, take care and stay safe.